Okay, we're just getting our insulation started inside, and you can see the batting going into the walls here. They start with the top and they fill in the bottom. We've got stagger stud construction here, which for this house keeps it quieter because we are close to an airport here. So you can see one stud is out away from the wall, the other stud is pushed back to the wall. So our actual drywall hangs on those interior studs, and our exterior wall hangs on the exterior studs. How we the reason for that is that there's no sound transfer from the exterior of the house through to the interior of the house. You know, when there's solid studs, the sound can transfer from there right through the stud. Kind of the same way if you knock on a piece of wood and put your ear on the other side, the knocking is very clear. But here we've got insulation in between. So how we insulate this is we actually split the bats in half. So you can see that they've insulated the back, and they've split this bat in half and insulated the front, and that allows us to continuously insulate. So we've got insulation that runs in behind every stud and in front of every stud, so it weaves back and forth just like that. That creates a very, very well insulated house. It's the right way to do it. I mean, some people would just cut the back of the bat and shove them in, but you know, quite frankly, this is the better way to do it. And I kind of check through the day periodically from time to time to make sure they're doing it right, but we've used these guys before, and we know they're hard workers. They get things done quickly, but they also get things done correctly, which is important for the homeowners, important for us, and at the end of the day, it's the way that you got to do it in a place like this. So not everyone does it that way. It's the way we like to do it, and we'll show you some more as we get closer to being finished. Next, once this is all done, we put vapor barrier on top of all this, an acoustical seal around all the windows, and some rod around the doors. It's a little thin insulation to keep everything perfectly soundproof and well insulated for the winter. Talk to you soon.